Discovered a D3F file in a Descent 3 game folder and curious what it does? This is a mission file for the classic 3D space shooter Descent 3. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Descent 3 mission files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn D3F files. D3F files are mission files for Descent 3, a 1999 first-person 3D space shooter developed by Outrage Entertainment. They contain custom-level data game scripts, mission objectives, and gameplay parameters, created by the development team or the active modding community for extending the original game with new content. D3F files use a proprietary format specific to Descent 3 storing level geometry, game logic mission scripts, and resource references. The format includes 3D environment data, enemy placements, objective triggers, and audiovisual asset references, following the Descent 3 engine specifications for mission file structure. This D3F file is handled by the industry-standard tool Descent 3 from Interplay. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot inspect bundled game resources, so specialized extraction applications must be used. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your D3F file and choose Open With. Test Descent 3 first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the D3F file won't open, don't panic. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, installing in Descent. 3. Place D3F mission files in the Descent 3 missions directory typically located in the Game Installation folder. Launch Descent 3 and select the new mission from the Missions menu. The game engine loads the mission data presenting the custom level for gameplay alongside the original campaign missions. Next, using D3 Mission Editor. Open D3F files in D3Edit or DLE Descent Level Editor for level editing and inspection. These community-developed tools allow modders to view geometry, edit mission scripts, modify enemy placements, and create new content. Save changes back to D3F format for testing in the game. Finally, examining game resources. Use Descent 3 modding utilities to extract resources from D3F files, including textures, models, and sounds. Tools like D3 Resource Manager parse the mission file structure, exposing assets for inspection or reuse. This helps modders understand mission construction and create compatible new content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.